cut
how
it?
she.
How do you cut it? I've cut it very small.
Not small. Tadi na
You can start now.
Okay. So I pre-cut the onions, and they're kind of like I cut an onion in quarters and then just fine chopped it. So it's just loosely.
Yeah.
How do you call this? What is this kind of onion
Diced,
cut?
just loosely diced, I guess.
Uba.
Little bigger than dice, right?
Okay.
Yeah, dice
All
would be
dice,
little
right?
squares.
This is
It's a large.
uba. Vertical.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, long slice, semi-long slices.
Semi-long.
And all we're going to do is the main thing we do is the besan and dahi.
Okay.
And so I'm like Martha Stewart because I have all my dishes ready here.
Well, you should.
So, so what I do is the proportion is equal, but in different measurements. So in my head, when mom taught it to me, it was like 4, 4, 4. So you have 4 spoons of besan, but 4 cups of dahi and 4 cups of water.
Okay.
Oh,
Right.
so
So and then once you put it in the pot, you can add more water because the whole goal is to have
Good
the
use.
it just cook and the water obviously evaporates. The besan has to cook really well.
Right.
So I'm going to make a boatload of it because I'm a curry fan. So you can do 1, 1, 1. I'm going to do 4, 4, 4. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I have my
you need to get the ingredients.
She's
besan,
recording.
salted besan.
So when you say spoon, you're talking about a good hefty spoon.
Yeah,
Like a
I'm
serving
doing. Yeah, I'm making a lot, but that's what. So I'm going to use the spoon for the besan, and I'll use one of these steel glasses
But
for
that
the
spoon
section.
is a big spoon, Kavita.
It's
mean-
a serving spoon. Yeah,
Right.
yeah, curry,
Yeah.
like
Kavita,
It's more
your
than
measure
kg.
is the spoon for the dahi also? Like is
no.
it the same?
So I just remember 4, 4, 4. So I do 4 heaped spoons of this, and then this I will use for the
Okay.
water and besan.
That's
So the
all.
number is important, but this proportion is different measuring.
Right. Right.
And I'm sorry, I guess I should maybe one day, if you inspire me enough, I'll get one of those weighing machines and I'll tell you the
No,
weight.
that's fine.
No.
But
This is
you know
better.
how most of these.
You know what? This is almost like a 1/4 cup, I guess, of
Yeah,
besan.
looks like it.
It's like a big spoon.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Almost
Not
1/4.
1/4
Yeah,
cup,
of
that's a
course.
cup.
No. This spoon. Look at her
I
spoon.
can
It's a
actually
serving
put it
spoon.
I'm saying it's a cup almost.
Now that you are asking, or I'm asking myself how much this is, so I'll put about 4 of these.
In the cup.
Yeah,
It's
that
much more than a cup.
will be
It's
like.
like, yeah, it's
One-third?
about 1/4.
See, I told you.
One what?
1/4 cup.
Where's my
Yeah.
little, oh, here is my camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's half of half cup. So 1/4. So
More
yeah,
like
just
half.
about
So
1/4.
full cup.
Some
Way
Yeah.
to go, Swati.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to do that.
Yeah. So you are really doing like okay, four of
So
those.
one cup
I'm
of-
making a lot. I'm making
One
a
cup
lot
of
for
food.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah, I usually just, it's my comfort food. So I'll just like sitting on the by the TV, just heat it up. No rice needed.
Wow,
Just
that's
eat it like that.
Malapana.
So that's the basin. And
Correct.
then I'll take water and I will measure this in a cup too.
Yes, that's like our steel glass. So it's
Steel glass. I'll put
The
it in.
water or rosé?
more
What
than
are you doing?
it's more than a cup, I think. Or what? Would it be?
Fancy
Yeah, it's
water
1
bottle.
and
Gotcha.
it's 1 1/3 cup.
Yeah, I told you it's more than a cup because our glasses are generally bigger than a cup measure here.
So yeah, this is 1 and 1 and
One and
a third, but
1/3.
it can be 1. So I'm just going to put 4 of these.
4 of those. Sanjay, right?
And I
1
might
and
add more water later, because
Right.
once I put it in the.
Good. So Sanjay is also getting this.
Did I need more water?
This is what? 4 of these?
हा तो आपण टेबलस्पून घेतलाय ना तू टेबलस्पून 4 घाल आणि मग एक कप
I need can you fill this with water, this water? So I've got this. And the main thing is, this is the main piece of the curry. Like everything else is masalas. And what I'm going to do is add dahi to it, same. 4 cups of dahi.
Do you use a whisk to
Yeah.
get
Clumping up.
Yeah, I should. I usually use my hands to break
Yeah.
the
Correct.
ball. So, I mean, since you're not eating it and I'm going to eat it, so I use my
I use my
in washed hands. And then I'm not going to, I guess I can. So I'll just put 4 things of dahi in here. Typically, ideally, mom is like, you need to start making homemade dahi. I
Yeah,
don't.
I buy what you buy. So
Right. So I
I
just.
started making homemade dahi from like a
It's
couple
so
of months
easy,
ago.
but somehow I'm just like, why?
Yeah. I mean, I make it because we like homemade dahi. That's it. काय रे संजय? कप मेजर कुठे आहे? इथे आहे ना. ते बघ. तुम्हीच लोकांनी ठेवलंय.
So I'm going to stick my hand in here at some point.
Good.
अंदाजाने हे धर अंदाजाने घालू नंतर पुढे मागे करूया.
And the only reason we're doing this here and not directly on the pan, in the cooking pan, is because of these lumps, right? Besan is
Yeah,
a pain in
yeah.
that. So
Yes,
just
pain in the
gonna
butt.
do this.
actually, Kavita, should we be sharing your screen so that we see the full screen right now? Or it doesn't matter, right?
What do you mean?
We can see her. We can see
Oh, you
her.
mean sharing the whole screen?
Yeah, sharing the whole screen so that I see your cooking in the main. Right now it's 5.
Yeah.
But then you won't
So
see all of us, you'll just see
how
that.
do I do? I see.
But then
Can't you
we
lock
wouldn't
it?
have been able to see you doing your measure, which
Yeah.
was in that.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
I need to make sure this camera has
No,
everything.
it's
But
fine.
can
Actually, you
you-
know what? There's few people only, so it's
no, but
Right.
can you lock it on the one screen when as
you
a
can
recorder?
pin it.
Right. So why don't you just pin it? All of you can pin it. Although I specially washed my hair for today. I'm kidding. Well, not
It's
half
great
kidding.
though.
So yesterday we had everyone over for birthday. My niece and nephew turned 19 yesterday. They didn't want to
you mentioned
celebrate 4th of July, but anyway. So it was chaos, but so much fun. But we played 1 hour of volleyball yesterday.
Wow.
In this heat?
In the heat. Yeah.
The heat.
That's
Yeah, it's
hence
really
the,
hot.
Very
hence the
hot.
reward. Okay, so this is pretty much the lumps are not there. And so now what I'm going to do, and Deepu, you're going to just please move this there so I can.
दही पण घातले का?
नाही तिने घातलं दही घातलं घाल सगळं.
So it's basically just removing the besan clumps. The dahi is not as important, but the besan kind of.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So Meenu's going to, Yogesh is just going to move this camera and I'll go to the pan. So I can,
Yeah, you can empty one of the bottles. Oh, that's good.
Something is moving there, Yogesh.
yeah. He's my helper.
He's hired to help.
I'm a spot boy.
Can
Barback.
you see this? Yes, yes.
Yogesh, she needs more wine.
I'm just taking this, I don't know how many quarts, this 6 quarts, is that's regular standard pan size?
Yeah.
And what I'm going to do is turn on the gas. Right now it's like you're doing your masala, so maybe medium high flame. I sound pretty legit, huh?
You do.
Okay, so this is high. And then I have oil here somewhere. Okay. And then just put like your standard, I just use olive oil. I know oils make adding a flavor to it, the whole thing, but I just use olive oil.
Do you ever use ghee?
Sorry?
Do you ever use ghee?
I do ghee for dal ka tadka. When I'm making dal or I'm making lauki, I use ghee because that just adds a fantastic flavor.
Right.
So all my dal tadkas are with ghee.
Oh.
But regularly, this is like not necessarily the healthiest of things to eat. This is basically a boatload of carb, but the besan has some protein in it. And then I'll just put, a little amount. This all I'm assuming you all kind of know based on the quantity you're making.
Yeah.
Some methi seeds.
Mhm.
Yep.
I'm just going to put that, and I'm going to put the thing in.
So you had how many onions?
So I cut 4 onions, and this is 1.5, and then 2.5 I've kept for the pakoras.
Oh.
So I just do this oil for a little bit.
So you, in the oil you have only methi seeds, huh?
You didn't
Only
put,
methi
you
seeds.
didn't
We
put
do the-
mustard.
We do the rai jeera tadka at the end.
At the end.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Right. So this is just methi seeds and this pyaz. It's so simple. It's almost embarrassingly simple.
Yeah,
And
funny,
then
no? I
I'm
would have
just-
put the rye first.
Yeah. So rai and jeera we will do in the end.
Okay.
Tadka. That's the tadka on top.
Right.
This is literally only methi seeds and onions. Nothing else is in here right now. And once it's a little bit, the onions kind of get a little pinkish, I'll add that besan, the mixture we just made, to it. Oh, I'm looking at the camera.
Do,
So
do,
we're
you,
waiting.
do you get it to the level where it's starting to crisp, or is it just like translucent?
No, because it's going to cook so much in the curry. It's just the flavor of the onion, just pinkish. Like it just should be a little pink. No need to
Right.
crispen it. Onions are optional. So when you look online for recipes and stuff, onions are not even part of this.
Right.
But you know, mom, onions and kasuri methi are mom's extras.
Yeah.
And so then I'm just going to add this
So
in.
you don't fry the methi in this, huh?
No, I put it halfway through.
Okay.
So, Kavita, the onions got pink so quickly.
You know, it's not even pink. They basically almost, I
You
don't
basically
know,
just
they
need them
almost
cooked,
disappear
right?
by the time the cook, by the time the curry is
Okay.
done, it almost disappears.
Okay,
Right.
because they get like boiled, cooked, in other words.
Yeah, because this cooking will happen for about 40-45 minutes.
Okay.
This is
So
what I'm
right
doing.
now I've just done this and I'm going to add more water because I'm just looking at it. It's not watery. It's not as watery. So I'm just going to add water. And my goal is, these are so funny. Oh, you gave me water. Didn't you? The goal is that I'm just randomly adding water to make it nice and thin.
Uh-huh.
Because it's going to get really thick once the besan cooks.
Right.
And I'm, you know, so right now mentally I measure that, okay, it's 2 inches off the top. I'll wait for it to be 3 inches off the top. And when the curry is done, but typically it's about 40-45 minutes. I've done this. Now I'll just add masalas. And masala is nothing major: salt, namak, mirch, haldi, and dhania powder.
Then okay.
So, namak. I just eyeball most of this. I think 1.5 should be good.
It's interesting you keep your salt in that. It's a good idea.
Yeah.
Instead of thinking one more.
Yeah, I have the big one right there, so
Yeah,
I keep
me too.
filling this a
थोडं त्याला
lot.
करायचं आपण. नाही ते नंतर मीठ वगैरे सगळं घालायचंय. थांब जरा.
Dhania, no?
Yeah, dhania. Oh,
So you're putting
sorry,
quite
you
a
can
lot
see.
of masala. Is that?
Yeah, it's based. That's all namak, mirch, haldi, and dhania powder.
Okay.
And yeah, it's a lot because of I'm making a lot of
You're
it.
making four.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I might have to add more salt, but because the dahi becomes khatta as it like when it's
Correct.
cooking, I add adjust the salt in the end when it's ready. I'll just
Okay.
taste it and add. I think I might need to add more salt later, but we'll see. So now it's just on a high flame and it's curry, so it'll keep cooking for about 40 minutes.
Wow, you
But what-
really?
That's a lot. You don't have to
No.
keep stirring it.
No, I don't have to keep
वो फटता
stirring
नहीं है
it.
क्या? Because our curry, if we stop stirring it, वो फट जाता है.
Huh, that's what I said. It can curdle, right?
When it boils, it
Ah,
starts. You'll see it starts changing something, and you just have to
Consistency
stir through
changes
it.
to like curdling almost.
Yeah.
Because if we
So
stop
we
stirring,
want-
we'll do that.
So we want the dahi to be khatta, right? That's the whole point. Because sometimes when it's not khatta enough, nimbu, I don't like nimbu in my
No,
curry.
no, of course
I
not, because it's dahi, it will curdle.
Right.
No. What I add is kokum.
Oh,
Ooh.
The flavor has to be khatta. The flavor has to be khatta. Usually, apne aap ho jata. I guess the dahi is curdling. I don't know.
You
what
use khatta dahi, you use. curry.
What is
I
what is
try, but
kokum?
you can't predict the like the
Kokam is
ready-made
that
dahi.
amsul.
Amchur, yeah, I've got that.
Amsul.
No, not amchur. Amchur
No, no,
is
amsul.
different.
Amsul.
Amsool. Okay, I don't know what that is.
It's
I
that
just
I
know
have it at
Kokam.
home. I'll show you.
I have if you want me to show
They
you.
are like little moti lychee types.
Okay.
Oh no, so that's different what you're saying. Amsul and kokam is that plum kind of fruit from
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, dried. Yeah, yeah. So when it's dried, it looks like it's the size of a moti lychee.
Isn't,
Oh, okay,
isn't
okay.
dried kokum like amchur?
This is the packet
Yes,
of
yes,
fruit.
that's it.
Okay,
They
this
type
is a-
bandu.
Okay.
That's a backup
Gotcha.
if the
Yeah.
dahi, if the thing that is not khatta enough. So this
Right.
will be a backup if it's not khatta enough. And so now it's while it's boiling, then I make the pakoras.
I think she can boil it because the basin is a lot.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
Because our basin is little. It's not
Yeah.
like itna sara basin nahi rehta hai.
yeah. See,
Like
basin is the thing what makes it good. So I'll usually it's about 40 minutes. So what I'm going to do is about 20 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
You're not like Martha Stewart. You don't pull out a previously completed dish.
Yeah, right, Giri. I'm going to make curry twice. But what I'm in 20 minutes, I'll add the ginger garlic paste and the kasuri methi.
Okay.
So that will happen, and I'm telling you that in case we don't stick around for the entire thing.
Okay.
So now I'm going to make the pakoda. So the pakoda my secret thing is, hold on. Pakoda my secret thing is to do this not in water, but in dahi.
Oh,
That
wow.
way the pakoda remains porous enough to absorb the
Right.
curry when you put it in the curry. So again, this is the 2.5 onions from the previous one. And then I'm going to add pakodas. I'm sure all of you know how to make.
Yeah.
But I'm just going to do it real quick and start frying them. And obviously, I'm always going to make extra pakodas on a weekend.
Yeah.
Hi.
I have to go make some.
Jeera pudi.
Yeah.
I think yeah. This is going to be our dinner. Right now I'm watching, but I'm going to make this.
Oh, you
already
are?
told
That'd be
Manish.
cool. I'm just, I just do namak mirch and I do a little haldi for the color. I love the color. And then dahi.
So you're not going to use any water to.
I will a little bit, but I'll try to do most of this in the.
That's quite a bit of dahi. Interesting.
I'm making a heck of a lot of pakodas, but
There's no water at all, so I guess you need.
right now there's no water in here.
So, Kavita, are you simmering that curry on low flame for 20 minutes?
It's on medium high right now. When it comes to a boil, I'll lower it.
Okay.
And that's when you add the tadka and the methi, is it?
The tadka will be in 20 minutes. I'll add the methi and the ginger paste, and then when it's finished, 40 minutes later, when that thing level has dropped by an inch, then I'll do a tadka with the jeera, rice, and some of that suki lal mirch. I'll make a tadka of that and put that on top.
Okay, that is just topping.
Yeah.
Right. Good. So our curry is coming along, I guess.
So see how just that dahi has kind of almost made the pakoda masala.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to add a dash of water to make it. My husband is cooking curry with me for the first time, or at least here while I'm making it.
Yogesh, you got to refill her wine, man.
What is she adding to the
Oh my God, yesterday we went a little overboard on the sangria. This morning it was like, maybe we should cut down on the drinking. So you know what? I'm going to add a dash of garam masala to my pakodas.
Yeah, I was going to ask you that if you're going to add some. Okay.
Kavita, I skipped last night.
What?
I didn't have anything last night.
Why?
I just skipped. I went out to see those fireworks in New Hampshire at a friend's place.
Oh yeah, that's so cute. The home fireworks are I think,
Yeah,
far
yeah.
better than
They're
what
moving
we-
actually to Massachusetts, and it's going to be. It's not legal here, so all our
Why?
Diwali parties used to be at their house.
I didn't know it's not legal in
It's not
Massachusetts.
legal in Mass.
तो
These
Costco
don't-
वगैरह में नहीं बेचते वो
No,
लोग?
no, nothing. In
You
fact,
can buy
it's
them on the
all-
streets here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just like little bench on the street. Guys are selling fireworks for the last week or so.
Wow.
Yeah.
There's all these big signs up right now, lit up signs. Fireworks are illegal, and because what happened is kids who graduated from school, they, families were doing like little fireworks and all, so they started. Putting
Yeah, if you do non-4th of July fireworks, you have to take permission here, fire department.
Right.
Otherwise, they're very legal. So this has started to boil. So I'm just going to lower the flame to low, medium to medium low,
Okay.
and then let it keep cooking.
This being this.
This being this. Yeah, I've got two cameras on. So this one. And then I'm just heating the oil for frying. This is where ideally like a glass of wine would come in, dance to a little bit of Bhangra music, because there's lots of time. Lot of time.
Next time we should have something which needs wine to cook.
Yeah, actually, yeah, let's do those recipes.
Yeah, so I do a pizza sauce quite often. And that
With
has got
cooking
a cup of wine in it.
Oh, you put wine in it. I thought you'd put like
Arey,
the vodka
you
sauce.
should learn that sauce from Sanjay. It's
That's-
the best. I stopped eating outside pizza.
Oh, we have
It's
next time.
amazing. No, he
Maybe
makes
or
a
pooch
he
pooch.
makes a bell pepper soup and this pizza sauce. It's out of the world. I'm telling you.
Wow. Wow.
Maybe you should do that for the guys. These lessons.
No other guys have joined this. So I don't think.
Well,
Yeah, if I try to do it for the guys, I can see how that
We'll
will
all
go.
drink while we watch Sanjay make the sauce.
There you go.
Oh, God.
Yeah, no, that the good part of that is just needs a quarter cup, so you can finish the rest of the bottle.
So I'm going to just tell you तड़के के लिए जीरा डाला है.
Okay.
एक चम्मच जीरा, एक चम्मच राई. Again, it's based on how much you're making, and we all can eyeball the tadka.
correct.
Right.
And then a few of these लाल मिर्च जो सूखी वाली नहीं होती है.
Correct.
Yeah, that's right one.
So this will be the tadka in the end when the curry is cooked. So since it might run way late for us to all hang out while this is done, I'm just showing you. So this will be the tadka in the
You
end.
don't put hing at all?
Hing. Sorry,
Okay.
hing also. Yeah, I'll put that in the tadka as well.
Kavita, in your besan, this pakoda thing, you don't put ajwain, that ova.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I do when I'm making pakoda, but
By
not in the
itself.
curry pakoda
Okay,
because
okay.
ajwain is ki पेट खराब ना हो अगर कच्चा रह जाए बेसन or something.
Right, okay.
So I don't do it for the pakoda, but when I'm making like pakoda or bread pakoda or something,
Yeah, I do
put
that for
it.
like budgies or something.
Bhajis, yeah.
Yeah. So I don't do it in this. And once the oil is hot, I'll just make a few pakodas, and meanwhile, let me prep the.
Do you put a pinch of sugar in the curry?
No,
Gujarati.
that's
what I said.
Gujarati.
Gujarati curry has sugar in it.
It's not
Sweet.
pinch, there are a lot of
Yeah,
pinches.
there's a lot of
Many
So
pinches.
assuming you've had Punjabi curry before, if you haven't, it is a very perfect blend of khatta without it being
Correct.
nimbu or amchur. It's like a nice, and it's very thick gravy. And of course, pakodas. It's basically, a liquid form of pakodas, essentially.
I had a terrifying experience of Punjabi curry. I had gone to someone's house and they had it and they were serving it. It was so tikha. My eyes were watering
Wow.
and I couldn't
Yeah.
eat
Wow.
it. And I
Yeah.
got a bad stomach after that. So
Yeah. No, so
I
my
was
father-in-law,
terrified.
obviously, my father-in-law is quite sensitive to chilies and stuff. So I try not to put masala in almost anything other than the basics. So,
I mean, उनकी कढ़ी भी बहुत तीखी थी and the pakodas were super tikha. I don't know how they could eat all the tikha
I
stuff.
like to sweat when I'm eating.
what did you say, Giri?
I said I like to sweat when I'm eating.
Yeah.
I love the heat.
I was having like tears in my eyes, and it was so tikka. It was
Okay. So
probably one of the spiciest things I've ever eaten.
where is my karchi? Yaar? Frying pan. Oh. I'm usually like, who emptied the dishwasher this time?
Oh,
Where
yeah.
did you put the karchi? Poor daddy is always stressed about it. And yeah, of course, you test the oil by dropping a drop in. And I mean, you guys, pakoras are not something I can teach you, but
Yeah.
the only trick is the dahi.
Yeah. I did
Because
not know
it
that.
remains, that way the pakoda remains porous enough.
So that even just for normal pakoda, that would be fun.
Hmm?
It's using dahi even for regular dry
Yeah.
pakoda.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I'll
thought so.
add that khatta to it.
Yeah, it
also.
tastes so good.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna try that.
It's
Yeah.
really
Something new. I didn't know about that.
nice.
Yeah. Same
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. So because I used to just tell mom, ki, why don't you just, whenever she used to make pakoras and, you know, why don't you just save some of these? Or even like with our friends, we've had a discussion about getting Indian stores, say frozen pakoras, and it's how it's good, but it's not the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the dahi in the kadhi pakoda. I could add some kasuri methi to it, but I think that's only me speaking because I'm standing here feeling like I should do
You
something.
should be doing something.
But it's ridiculously easy, but it's ridiculously delicious.
Yeah.
Trust me. Okay, I think the oil should be hot by now.
Okay.
Huh. I just hold this. Again, I'm going to be using my hands to put the pakoras in. Okay.
All right. I like that.
Wow, it looks pretty good. It's
Well, yeah, it just starts to thicken and cook. Yeah, I guess I can still wait a little bit for the oil to heat.
Put on that side so they can see better camera.
You can see the frying of the pakoras, right?
Yeah, we
quite.
can. In the other one, we can. Yeah.
I just pinned her video, so the cooking is now.
Okay.
Cool.
Just go to her name and
Yeah.
I mean go to that window and with the dot is
Oh,
just
yeah.
select.
Next, I'll see you guys on the side.
No, it's,
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
going
we
to
can- we
fine.
can
It's
see
good
both.
actually.
Yeah.
Selfie stick is a great idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was all Yogesh because it was either that or him standing holding
Yeah,
the
like
camera.
that.
So he's like, let me build a
So,
contraption. for you."
so that's why you had so much sangria.
This is it right here.
We had to get all the corks.
Yeah. Nice.
If you see how many we have here, you'd be surprised.
So I don't know if you remember, about 2 years ago, Costco was selling like a 5-foot wine glass. So in the townhouse, the National Harbor, I have that because that's where we are most weekends.
Right.
So that's like embarrassingly full. It's like, okay, we need to kind of slow down.
You make them.
After looking at those pakoras, I
She's
feel like
asking me to make pakoras now.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Make them right now.
I think we should make Sanjay. Anyway, we don't make anything fried.
Where did you get your frying pan, your oil thing from?
Oil
Your,
thinking,
Your pan?
Kadai.
it's just
Kadai.
a wok. It's just a
Okay.
regular wok. I don't have a frying pan.
I don't have a very good one. I need to buy
Yeah.
another one.
Yeah, I have one which is humongous, so it just doesn't fit. I mean,
Because
it's
I make sabudana vadas and I have, it's not very deep, so I can't, I mean,
Oh,
I make
Yeah.
it so.
We made those in an air fryer.
We made sabudana vada.
I know
And
you
it
said.
that's a
you
good
said.
comes out
idea.
beautifully.
It's
Comes
very
out
good.
beautiful.
Very good.
I haven't
Yeah.
yet bought the air fryer. I've been controlling against
Yeah,
gadgets.
don't buy.
Actually,
If
it's
you
not
don't-
that great because you definitely don't get the
Yeah.
fried stuff.
Correct.
But
Correct.
junk
I
food is great.
am
See,
I
yesterday
am a
with bread
huge
roast.
fan of the air fryer though.
Yeah, but do you do only junk food or you do other stuff? Meaning,
Junk food.
frozen stuff is great.
She's saying
No, no, like I'll do sweet potatoes or shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp might be good.
Just for salad to toss on top of a salad, just add that crunchy factor. But yeah, it's usually junk. It's no legitimate recipe.
So we had some cutlets that we made sometime back with chopped vegetables and beans.
Mm.
Put that inside a slice of bread and put it in the air fryer, and that came out pretty good.
Even bread rolls.
It's like
you
a
can
become
make
like a bread roll.
very nice. It's really good.
It's okay. I mean, if you got enough
So
space, it's probably fine.
What I do is, if I have leftover usad, masoor, moong, so we just crush it. We make cutlets out of it.
Oh, nice idea.
I add garam masala, chili powder, all those things. I grate some veggies. I mix it all up, breadcrumbs and everything.
Oh wow,
And
that
make
sounds
cutlets
so
of-
good.
Oh, they come out really good. And then we put a few in the air fryer, so no guilt trips.
I'm on a sprouts binge right now. I've just been making sprouts every 3-4 days.
wow.
Oh
What do you like?
wow. Why?
We don't.
Just-
we just
I
put
like
those
sprouts
things in the
like
Instapot.
crunchy.
So you add the pyaz, kacha pyaz and namak and all in that?
Yeah, in my sprouts.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a salad basically. You can even add them into your bhel if you want.
Yes, yes.
Oh yeah, I've had that. That's good. So
Sprout.
Moog matki.
Yeah, moong.
Green-
The
green
green
wali
moong, the
dal.
matki.
Moog matki.
So not the long sprouts you get in the supermarket, right?
No, no, no. Those are
Those
different.
actually.
Those are the ones that you use in Asian food. The,
Right. I wonder
But-
what those are.
That looks like matki only though.
it does because of the long.
Because if you keep it for 2 days, that thing will grow.
Yeah.
Right, right.
Because matki we do sometimes, and then it becomes like a misal,
Yeah, misal. We make
Yeah,
misal.
yeah.
Misal pav.
like curry.
I bought that Kolhapuri misal masala. Recently. Very good.
Spicy.
It's awesome.
my God, actually I'm amazed at how much everyone is such a foodie and knows so much. I feel like I'm genuinely a lazy cook. Like snacks or anything, never do I make from scratch. They're all ready made. Dinner I will make, but snacks are 99 or if not 100% just frozen food. Which is why I have the reputation I
अरे
do.
पकोड्याला इतके उभे उभे केल्याने तरी चालते. नाही मग ते मधनं का. Sanjay is chopping onions for the pakoda.
Oh, you're making the pakoras actually. That's awesome.
I couldn't resist it after seeing that.
I know, those look really good.
Yeah.
We have to make it.
It looks so good.
Get sabotage.
Yeah, so I mean, it's not difficult. I mean, it's already done. Whatever had the work was just cutting onions.
Right.
But it takes a while. So many times you're just like, oh, forget it. And if I do make it, I'll make a bunch.
डब्यात अजून कांदा होता.
It doesn't spoil for. I think that's why also it's called the poor man's food. So it really doesn't need heavy duty.
Right.
It's got a good shelf life. But yeah.
Do you dunk those pakodas right away or you keep them for some time and then dump them?
They should be cool and put
Okay.
in the hot. In the curry should be hot because I don't know why. There's no specific. I don't think there's a specific reason
Because
for
see,
that.
when we make dahi vadas, we just put it in the water or buttermilk or something. We take it out and we immediately put it in the dahi.
Right,
I was
right.
just wondering, you do the same thing with the curry.
Yeah, no, but because some of the chefs, they are when I'm looking for variations or something which I really haven't found. Other than one Sardarji chef, he said his mother puts aloo in the curry, so the aloo becomes so like we put onion.
Oh,
It makes the gravy so much more thicker and
Yeah.
the
I
starch.
have not tried that yet, but I intend to someday. So what he did was he put the pakoras in a bowl and poured the curry on top for serving.
Oh, like that.
I was
Okay.
like, that looks pretty, but I like the pakoras to become
Yeah,
really
that's to
soft.
soak that curry, no,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
when you're eating it.
Exactly. So the pakoras
Currently,
are
my
started.
favorite is honey ki rasoi.
Honey ki is that a good?
Honey ki
good one?
rasoi has that palak dhaba style palak paneer with lasan and all that. I just love the accent and it actually turned out really good. So
Oh,
the
Wow.
dhaba
Okay.
style palak paneer.
Oh.
Fabulous.
Uh-huh.
You
So
make
these
paneer?
pakoras, when you cook
No,
them,
I
you can
bought,
tell that-
I buy the nanaks.
Oh, I made this homemade paneer with full fat milk. It turned out so good.
Yeah, I'm
It
gonna make
was-
some.
Yeah,
there.
it
I've
turned
never
out,
made paneer at home.
and it was so
Super
fat.
easy.
It was full
I
fat
used
milk.
to have to make paneer at home.
Yeah, we
Super
made,
easy.
I made it at home. with
Wow,
full
you
fat
should
milk.
you should post the recipe.
Of
So
course, I
my-
put
Because these
my
kids
paneer
love
story-
paneer. They'll eat paneer every day if they had it.
My paneer story, when I got married, my mother-in-law used to work and I was studying for my master's. So it was evening classes. So I was home alone pretty much. So I was like, Mommy, tell me something to do. I get too bored. So she's like, make paneer. So that in the evening, I'll just make paneer bhujia. So take paneer. So I'm like, okay. And she could tell I don't have no idea how to make it. So she was like, okay, just boil the milk. And when it's boiling, add this lemon juice. She put it out.
Yeah,
She's like,
lemon
just add
juice,
this
vinegar.
lemon juice, and it happens and you throw away the waste. I threw away the paneer.
Oh no.
And I'm staring at the pani, the leftover, that water, because the paneer looked dirty to me. Right?
Oh,
When
gosh.
she used the word dirty or something, where it was like throw away the kachra and keep the paneer. So when it boils, I was like, this is the bad part. So I scooped it out and threw it away, and I'm staring
Oh
and
no.
staring, and I'm like, nothing is happening. Why is there no paneer in this?
Oh,
And yeah, we ordered pizza that time.
no.
But yeah, so that's
It
my
doesn't look
after
like
that.
paneer I've eaten in the past. Right?
Alexa, stop. So 20 minutes are up. So what I'm going to do is just add.
Thank God when you said Alexa, this thing didn't light up.
Achha bana hai. The texture of the pakoras is different from your standard. They're much softer.
Correct, correct.
That's a good idea.
It would be in the dahi madhe.
Is that because of the yogurt?
So for regular pakoras, I think I prefer the non-dahi ones. This is a good for the curry.
Right, right, right.
So
खालचा बंद केलाय ना. हा, okay. Continue. उकळी
So
आली.
kasuri methi, it's like a ton of it, no, Kavita, you have there?
it is a ton. I'm not going to put all of it.
Yes.
I'm just going to put till it visually looks okay to me.
Otherwise, it will become methi ki kadi.
Yeah, it tastes so good though.
Methi
Oh my God.
curry must be tasting good though.
Yeah, it goes so it's got a little kadwa flavor
Right.
and it goes so well with the khatta of the. So
So
yeah,
your
this looks
kasuri
visually okay
methi-
to me.
No, and
Your
that
kasuri-
that combination of besan and kasuri methi itself
Correct.
is very good.
Yeah,
I
it's
use when I
so
make
good.
kirda, I use this.
So Kavita, that kasuri methi store is like a box one, right? That you bought?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I use so much of it. I get that the huge box that they use in restaurants.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Mine is that size.
I've
Yeah.
got 2 or 3 of these. So
And
Mine
then I have
goes-
this ginger garlic paste. That's
Yeah.
what the kasuri methi is. So I'm just adding that.
hey, you're putting the store bought ginger garlic paste.
Yeah. Ready.
Yes. Yeah. It's just such a pain to do, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty strong and has a good flavor.
But doesn't it have that vinegary kind of flavor thing?
I don't know. I mean, I've not felt it.
What is the
in the-
brand that you have?
I
Mera
get the deep. Deep is the one.
Deep, yeah.
Yeah.
Deep and Swad, I think, are the.
I think one of them has
So this has now, I don't know if you noticed, but this has gone down by about half an inch. So in
Yeah.
about 10-20 minutes, it will be done. And I will, Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
See, she lighted up over here. My Alexa just lighted up over here.
Yeah.
I just said.
Yeah, the amount we talk these days with politics and stuff, I'm like, there's going to be a SWAT team.
My
Because
son,
Alexa's
my
always
son was that
like,
she's hearing every word you're saying.
oh my gosh. It's weird because once we were talking about, oh yeah, we should go to Bhutan. We were just talking about a cousin of his who's posted in Siliguri, and he was like, Didi, Jijaji, come over, we'll go there. We were talking about it, and I kid you not, the Bhutan ads started coming on the feed, and we didn't even Google anything. It was literally
Wow.
just that's the only thing. It was just Alexa in the room.
My
It
goodness.
was
Oh,
so
it's-
weird.
it
It was
gets-
very creepy.
It gets even worse. So I bought a frying pan from this company called Made In,
Oh.
like a steel pan. And the next after like 2 days, I started seeing ads for that company on TV, which I'd never seen before.
No way.
I'd never
Our,
seen
our
that.
TV is connected to Alexa.
I don't have
Ours
any
is
Alexa.
not.
Anything.
Oh my God. That's
No Alexa, no
creepy.
Siri, nothing. Just I bought that stuff and boom.
So
it
do you
started
think,
frying.
oh my God, that's a thought.
Yeah.
No, especially
Oh my
if you
God.
use YouTube TV or something,
we
then
have-
there's
Creepy.
there would be a connection or a
No,
Roku.
we just have regular
Yeah,
You know,
cable.
with this whole internet TV now, we shouldn't be surprised. Because
We have
everything's
got
on the
Roku
net.
and then we have YouTube TV now. And
Right.
I don't know how, but maybe Sharang has connected Alexa to the TV.
They all they all share all the same information.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it's all over the IP network. Like the incoming cable it's all
Ah,
internet, Fios or whatever.
Right. That's what I have.
Wow.
Yeah, it's just
That's
watching
weird.
my traffic and programming my ads for me. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
But also, why you show me ads after I bought something?
Oh,
It's true.
Yeah, exactly.
I always
That's
see these ads
amazing.
after I buy something.
Ira, have you?
That is bizarre though. I've not heard something like that before.
Yeah, I'd never seen something like that.
Yeah.
It's terrifying.
Salt and all right now.
हा घाल ना नाही 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 घाल ना त्याला पाणी सोडेल नाही नाही नको जास्त नको विल हॅव इट फ्रॉम द फ्रिज
So I don't know how busy you guys are, what you have scheduled for the rest of the day, but it's pretty much done now. I showed you the tadka, and
Right.
we put this stuff in. It's kind of done. So don't want to hold you up because curry does take a while.
Are you going to poke holes in the pakoras after?
No,
so
with
that
the dahi you don't need to because it's quite
Because it's
porous to.
Porous,
Yeah.
yeah.
With the dahi you don't need to. I don't even do it if I ever buy Indian pakoras. If you buy Indian store pakoras, buy onion pakoras. That's all. Not
I mean,
the
like,
other way.
I've never bought Indian store pakoras. You're talking about
Same here,
frozen
I've
ones?
never
Yeah, frozen ones. They're
I
pretty
didn't
decent.
know.
They're good, but they break. Like they absorb the basin, and
I've only
it's not
bought
the
the
same.
I've only bought the spinach ones.
Yeah. So the onion ones, if you want to be lazy, like I am a lot of times, I just get the onion pakoras.
Okay.
तिखट लागेल
More than lazy, frying and all is just such a mess in the kitchen.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Yeah, like when I made that fried chicken, I was like, never again.
That looks so good. So by
Yeah,
the way,
it did.
I'm a pescatarian. So if you have a fish recipe, Giri, I would be eternally grateful.
I can, yeah, I'll send you something.
And easy. Remember 5 ingredients or less.
Okay.
Because I've never eaten fish in my life. And my husband knows the taste of a good fish, but can't cook for nuts. And so, you
It's
know,
all
my
been
mom never
recorded, you
cooked
know that,
fish,
right?
so- that's
Sorry,
fine.
what?
He knows it. He's standing here. And my mom never cooked fish. So just clueless on that front.
You never make fish?
So I make एक ready-made वो Lahori fish masala मिलता है उसके साथ वो just spicy. You just use it as a paste for tilapia. That's it. That's about it. And I can make like shrimp curry. Shrimp is an easy one to cook because you just make your regular curry and add shrimp to it. But you know the authentic fish like you have like we had in Goa when we were there. Oh my God! Or these Thai ones.
I don't think I know any Indian fish curry because I never ate fish in India.
Oh wow. Yeah, but anything that's good and a good recipe.
Yeah, I had a
I
friend
picked
who
up some, but they
used to
don't
make
turn out.
it in the Kathiawadi style. So entire pomfret, he chopped it up, slitted it, put some coriander chutney into it,
Hmm?
and just steamed it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Pomfret is what in the US?
Pomfret you will not get in the US directly, so you'll have to go to one of these Asian stores, Vietnamese stores. They will
Oh,
have
so
Yeah.
you get pomfret then.
from the Indian side, that.
But
Zazu.
what is it equivalent to, like in terms of taste?
Must be tilapia, maybe. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I'm not too much of a expert.
गूगल करके ना
I think maybe like a halibut
Maybe
or
a
cod or
fish,
something.
Okay.
maybe.
ask Alexa.
Yeah, Vochino pomfret.
That's a
Ask
good
her now.
Alexa,
Alexa,
What
Alexa.
dish is most like pomfret?
Ask Alexa.
The two Alexas are gonna get confused.
They'll be talking to each other.
Sorry, I noticed that.
Quite possible.
Man, that will be one linkage to make at the back end.
You might see ads on Bhutan in your house now.
Yeah, exactly.
I was thinking that.
Or somebody in your circle is going to Bhutan. Do you want to join?
That will be a big thing. Okay, our batter for the pakoras is ready.
Oh, super. This is also actually almost done. It's
Yes,
cooking, maybe.
Nice.
It's almost done. It's almost 3 inches in the level. Hold on. This.
Yeah,
So when we started, it was 2 inches. It's almost 3. So it's almost done. I can even do the tadka right now.
Yeah.
Should I use ghee?
Yeah, whatever the
Yeah, agree.
whatever is
You
the-
think it'll be better? Where is my this pan?
Ghee is always better.
I don't know. मी मीठ घातलंय तिखट घालय अजून याच्यात.
Okay, I'm going to try to use ghee.
Everyone's sitting in their kitchen.
Yeah, I threw it away. मला तिखट द्यायला आवडतं. मीठ घातलंय याच्यात भरपूर खारट नाही खूप झालं.
Sorry, I was off for a second.
Okay, I'm going to use ghee.
हे तिखट जास्त तिखट नाही बॅगडी मिरचीचं आहे.
What you made at home.
Yeah, this is what I made up.
Is there a brand of ghee you like, Kavita?
I use the Nanak one, I think it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just make it. Get
We
the
just make
unsalted
ghee
butter
at
and make
home.
it. It's simple.
Nowadays, so you get the ghee in the regular grocery store.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
get in Stop and Shop and all now.
Yeah, like,
Yeah. It's become a big part of this intermittent diet thing.
Same,
right?
like how coconut oil has now become so popular.
right.
Yeah, coconut oil, exactly.
I know people who put coconut oil into
Juice
their
juice उठतंय ना.
coffee and all.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big
What?
thing.
Supposedly
I
a
know.
big thing.
Yeah, what they call it? Gun shot. No, there's some word for it.
Yeah.
The coconut butter.
I was a bit taken aback, but yeah, that's what they put in their coffee and
What?
coconut oil.
Ew.
Like
Bulletproof. It's called
Yeah,
bulletproof.
you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
Some bullet something.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Bullet coffee.
So they must be just drinking a sip and it must be going inside.
I guess they think it's sort of like oiling their body.
No,
No, I think what it does supposedly, yeah, supposedly it's like fat and it keeps you full,
Good
so
fat.
you can do your intermittent diet,
Oh God.
and it's good fat.
Ugh.
I'm just going to have my second cup of coffee in a bit. So I don't.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I'm adding some hing and
Without
I'm
the
adding
bullet,
the-
right?
What was that? Oh, all the masalas. Okay.
Yeah, remember I put the rice
Yeah.
and the,
Right.
because I think this is pretty done. It's become nice and thick, and I don't want it to be too thick because
pretty
once I
thick,
put
yeah.
the pakoras in there, the
Yeah.
pakoras will soak it up and make it thicker. So I don't know if you can tell, it is significantly thicker than what we put in, and the basin looks nicely cooked.
No, you can tell. Yeah, it's pretty.
You can tell it. And the onions also look like they are now
Right.
boiled.
Right. So
So this is what I've noticed with Punjabi food. They put the tadka afterwards on the top. Same with that
Yeah.
palak paneer.
Yeah,
You
even
don't
yeah,
do
I-
it makes all the difference.
Yeah, it does make the difference.
And it just looks so delicious.
That's how I always done it for like dal and
After,
yeah.
Okay.
see, Maharashtrians do the mustard and everything at the start. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are some dishes where that we do, like, but yeah, the tadka on top.
Tadka
is-
on top gives it that.
Yeah, it gives it a
yeah,
little lift.
Any kind of dal, it's, yeah. And now the smell, oh, this is like done. So I'm just going to turn this off.
It's like putting a little bit of olive oil and black pepper on top of a soup.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, on soup.
Yeah, right before you serve it in the soup.
Yeah,
you
like
put
you
it.
crush.
Interesting. So what? Olive oil and black pepper.
Black pepper.
Yeah.
Like you tadka it, you heat it and put it.
No. You just
No,
sprinkle
just
it on.
wait.
Just sprinkle it on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh God. Some emergency.
who's got the siren?
Yeah.
That's permanent around here.
Yeah. Yeah.
You live
In
kind
fact,
of
it
in
feels
the-
very strange if you don't hear any sirens for a couple of hours.
You live in the center of, I mean, the downtown area, is it?
Not quite downtown, but yeah, in the city.
City, okay.
So are you helping, Giri? Are you doing any like bailouts and stuff for the protesters who got arrested?
Yeah, all kinds of stuff. Keeps us
That
busy.
is so awesome.
Yeah.
I wish, Priya and I were talking. She lives in DuPont Circle, and she was saying how they are doing things around the area to help. DuPont has a lot of homeless
Yeah.
folks who are, for mental reasons or whatever, they don't go
Yeah.
into shelters, and it's so hot. So they
It's
are trying to help out as best as they can. And I was like, we in the suburbs don't get an opportunity to do much of that. And not having like a talent like being a lawyer or something, you just have to, at the end, it comes down to just donating money. I mean, it's so unfortunate.
no, but you can also make your friends donate money.
Yes, I do, but yeah, it's tough to get any. But the thing is, everyone has their chosen charities. It's like everyone is a philanthropist, but they've selected their charities, and adding to it in this time is kind of difficult. So I can only say it. I can't force them.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's awesome that you're doing that.
But one suggestion I have is if you take a portion of what you give and use it for what we call direct giving, where it goes straight to a woman in need or somebody in extreme.
Yeah,
need.
you sent the thing once, right?
Right,
You
right,
sent it, and I saw it, and I just completely blanked out on acting on it. But how do you find those?
A lot of friends of mine do that.
Okay. So they're not like official NGOs and stuff. They
Right.
just have a person they know who's in need.
Or they have a group where people bring in
Yeah.
information about someone who's in need. So it's not a formal
Yeah,
official.
please keep posting those opportunities.
Will do.
Okay, so our curry is ready, folks.
Man, that looks good.
Wow.
It is. And I'm just going to put the pakoras in here.
Oh God, that looks so pretty.
I wish you could, if you were here, you could do a taste test.
I know.
But yeah, next time it could be a combined, just kind of lightly coat it.
Nice.
Wow.
My mouth is watering. I'm glad we
Oh,
did
my.
that.
Garam curry and hot rice.
Oh my God.
Ooh, amazing.
So when my mother-in-law made curry,
Mhm.
like I said, she used to work and I used to be home. So she made, I obviously was not very reliable in terms of taking over the family kitchen. And I was pregnant with Arjun. Like, he's like one of those honeymoon babies. So,
That's three babies, 15 years old.
it's like, we got married in December and he was born August. So it was like I came to the US with him.
Okay.
And so mummy had made curry and it was end of August and I was like, okay, the cravings were there. I used to watch soap operas. And so I took a bowl and I was just eating it. I'm like, this is so good. And I was like, okay, one more bowl. So I finished the whole patila that very day.
Oh my God.
And in the night, I went into labor and everyone was like, no, it's just gas. You just have it. And I think 2 a.m. I was like, this doesn't feel like gas. It's definitely something more. So Arjun was born. So curry is like everyone in the family knows I love curry. It's like anything happens, they're like, here, we'll make some curry for you. Even my friends know it. So yeah, we are done here. We have the batch. I put probably a few more in the curry, but
Yeah.
I'll save like 5-10 for the, you can see it. I'll save a few for just munching on. It's not as tasty to eat when it's got the dahi. It's too soft. I mean, it's
No, but it's okay. It's like those not that medu vada type, with the green
yeah,
chutney.
yes.
Oh, I
Exactly.
love those fresh
Yeah.
udad dal walas.
Cool.
So we got our ginger, garlic, kasuri methi. Our curry is also done. And the
Oh
oil
my
is-
gosh.
Well, you
that's
made
so
a
awesome.
smaller amount.
Post your
Always eating.
pictures.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
Kavita, are you going to garnish with coriander?
Because of the kasuri methi, I don't.
Oh, okay.
But it
Right.
does look pretty. So maybe not coriander. I might do like some sliced almonds just to make it look
Almonds,
pretty.
wow.
Oh,
Just to look pretty. I don't really. I don't usually. It's not really a fancy party dish. So in the house, it's like just eat it. It's delicious. But yeah, I'm sure fresh coriander on top or just some sliced almonds just makes it look good. Yeah,
We'll start serving the pakoras.
Yes.
I think these are done. Pakoras are also done. Cool. So Giri, are you going to make this?
Yeah, maybe not today, but definitely.
I
Not
might
today,
make it.
but-
I might be making it tonight. So we're thinking of driving out somewhere for a ride. We went to Falmouth, to the Cape a couple days ago. So we've been doing
Yeah.
a bunch of short drives around.
Yeah, yeah.
But this is the plan because we bought the dahi for it. So
I know with that amount of dahi, you better make some curry.
yeah, exactly.
Our
So
curry
share
system-
pictures and share any
Yes.
questions or
Yes,
experiences.
yes,
Because when you're
absolutely.
making it, you have some, like,
Yeah,
oh,
yeah,
wait,
yeah.
yeah.
Right.
and,
Cool.
and our
Awesome.
pakoras are ready to go in the oil now.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice.
So basically, Swati Sanjay cooked it all.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
good. That's awesome. That's quite, I'm feeling the pressure, but I'm dying to hear how it turns out.
Oh,
And
no,
Swati,
you know
I need
what?
to hear Punjabi curry versus
Yes.
Gujarati curry.
First time Punjabi curry.
Yeah, awesome. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
I don't remember ever.
My
eating
idea
this.
was to watch but then Sanjay
Yeah,
cooked at the same
I
time.
was actually going to cook, but then I thought, you know what? I'll watch it and see
Yeah,
how
that
it's
was
made.
my idea that I wanted to watch.
And then I can, since it's recorded, I can always go back and
Right.
pause.
Yeah, yeah.
And I need to download Neeraj's also. So I'll upload
Yeah.
both of these to
One-
Google.
Yeah, I had to
One
leave
question,
after 2
Kavita.
yesterday.
One
Sorry?
question. One
Huh.
question. The pakoda batter, how loose should it be?
Like regular pakoras.
Not
Okay.
too thin from what
And
it's
you,
not
you have not put
Not
any,
too thin and not like atta.
okay.
No
And
water.
then you have not put any kind of baking soda, any kind of
No,
thing,
not needed.
or
Not
hot
needed.
oil or something.
I never put, but do you put? I
No,
never put.
I've never put.
I don't. I'm
Yeah.
just asking if I miss.
I guess if
something.
I put soda, I would put ajwain, but not for curry. Yeah, you absolutely don't need to.
And especially dahi, you won't need anyways. Because
Right,
Correct.
that will make it light. So
right.
wow, I'm just waiting to make the pakodas.
Cool. Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay,
All
great.
right.
Great,
Thank
thank
So
you.
Next-
next is Giri. Next is Giri showing us whatever he whips up.